Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want a darker interface, less eye strain at night and better battery efficiency on OLED iPhones, dark mode is the perfect setting. So in iPhone settings 2026, dark mode can be enabled manually or automatically based on time or lighting conditions. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn on dark mode on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first, open settings and go to display and brightness. So go to settings as I said and scroll down until you find display and brightness. So this is where appearance settings are controlled. So now select dark appearance. So at the top under appearance, tap dark. So it's already dark in my iPhone, so your iPhone instantly switches to dark mode. System apps turn dark, menus and backgrounds go black or dark gray. Reduce the brightness for comfortable viewing. Okay, so enable automatic dark mode, so this is optional. Okay, so to switch automatically, turn on automatic. Okay, as you can see, we have here automatic or tap options. Okay, you can switch or change the time that you want to have your phone on the dark mode or on the light mode. Okay, choose sunset to sunrise, for example, or costume schedule, set your own time. So dark mode activates automatically at the chosen time. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.